Hey, this is the DIY Magician, here with another how to create upcycled puppets, or how to make a red-mouthed dog puppet the hard way, or let's see, what's he called, feeling good dog puppet, or just a little dog puppet or something. However it works out, we are making a dog puppet today. Now, this one here says feeling good. It has a little kind of a cap that you'd see for graduation. And here's the song that it sings. Just keeps going. I think it's supposed to shake its head like this. Something like that. His mouth might work. I don't know. There's some mechanisms in there. Oops. I think I shook the batteries loose. Sorry about that. Let's try it again. Okay, here we go. Come on. It wants to move. Oh! I have no clue. There's a motor working in there. And it wants to like do something like this. For some reason, it's got a cigarette here on the oh, that's the diploma. Sorry about that. So I don't know. That's what he does. It's the feeling good dog, and we're gonna take him apart and make a puppet out of him because he's got a pretty big mouth there. And I'm guessing my hand is not going to fit. But, hey, let's give it a shot. All right, so I've already taken the plate off. We're going to take the take the batteries out. All right. And we're going to dismantle them now. So let's get our glasses on for safety and for magnification. And I'm going to start looking inside here. I think we have another zip tie toy. I think. In fact, I feel something. I don't know if it's there. Is it there? I believe it's a zip tie. So let's do this. First, I'm going to try and find the actual zip tie nub. Okay, let's see here. No, I'm almost positive it's a zip tie, but I can't find the knuckle. I want to say that it's right there, and of course it's sewn shut. But let's give it a force here. Let's see if I can. There we go. Okay. I'll tell you what, let's just do this. Let's get in here. I think I've got the ability to clip it. Come on. Let me get a pair of pliers. And hopefully this will do it. Is that it? No. No zip tie, just glue. Oh, by the way, this is a dandy collector's choice. This product conforms to the toy safety regulations. It is made in China. It was made in 2013. Don't know where. Okay, but that's all it is, was just glue. Okay, so let's do this. Let's get these guys out of here, and we'll just get a little screwdriver and do some prying of the glue till we get to a point where I can just start giving it force. Hang on. There we go. Okay. We got it. We got it. Boy, they don't mess around on this one. Okay. Glue, glue, glue. I think it's going to be this simple. Just pulling the glue off, and I think the module will drop right out. In fact, there it goes. It's got a deal that goes down the neck. Oop. Oh. It might be this simple. Yep. Wow! That's pretty cool. Let's see, just for fun, if we can get the batteries in it and see if maybe the mechanism will work without the body. If that's the case, then we've got some sort of duck type of deal here. So let's find that. Okay. Oh! Oh! Come on. Well, the mouth works. It's really loud. No, I think that's it. It worked the first time. Okay. So we've got the batteries out. We've got the body out. Now we need the mechanism in the foot. Let's get the... Wow, that's a tight one there. I still have yet to figure out how they make some of these toys. I'd like to actually go to the factory and watch them assemble these things, because I think that would be fascinating. Or have somebody do it for me. That'd be even better, because then I don't have to travel. Traveling's fun, but sometimes it's fun staying home too. Okay, there it is. There's the switch. We just have to get it through the fur, the foam, excuse me, whatever that is. And there he is. Some of these are so much fun. I think I might put some googly eyes on here and have this as a little duck. Just like that. Wouldn't that be fun? Well, let's put him away down here. Let's see if we can make the actual mouth work. Got 2 fingers down the neck. Okay. Hello. I think I can work it. Here, let me put the whole body, or my whole hand in the deal there. Let's get, if I get my pinky in this other one here. There we go. Okay. And we're going to scrunch the neck back. Just like that. Hello! I am feeling good. He's probably not feeling so good without the mechanism, but let's see if we can do it again. Let's see here. I am feeling good. Feeling good, dog. Just like that. You can see the eyes now, but the hat should come off too. I think that's pretty much it. I think if we decided to cut the neck off or expand it back here so I could get my hand in there, I think this would be a pretty cool little puppet. Okay, so there he is, the feeling good dog. Let's get some of that fuzz back inside. And there he is. Thank you very much for coming along, guys and gals. If you've been here before, if you're new to the channel, thank you for coming along as well. And please subscribe for updates. This is the DIY Magician. We'll see you next time.